Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm continue working with the light control tutorial. So, before start adding three button to turn on, turn off three LEDs. So I'm to introduce with what we have done before. So we have an app. This app is for iPhone, which we can turn off and turn off the LED through the LED, and turn on and on. Okay, it is working. So today we have a tree button. We use that to push on off with the less. Nothing happened here because I didn't set it here. And we also with the register with 10,000 kilo ohm. And so let's get started. I will just unplug the USB to my ESP. Okay. So I'm going to connect three button with ESP. The first button that I'm going to connect it with D4. D4 and with first button. And D5, this is D5. It's a digital D5 with button 2. Okay, it's button 2. And the third one will be connected to D6 with button 3. Okay. So now we connect to ZND. We provide ZND from ESP. It's a VCC. That's why we'll be connected to VCC. We use it light for VCC. Okay. And the next one we need to connect with ZND for a black white. Okay, so I'm using ZND for this light. ZND. Okay, so more done. And we need to connect VCC, and we can use this VCC for a but once, and VCC for button 2. And VCC for button 3. Okay. So now we need to connect the register. So the first button connect to ZND. Okay, ZND for this line. Okay, so with second button for ZND as well. Okay, and finally connect to GND. Okay, so the button has been set it up. So now we need to download the code, and now I'm open the code in Arduino. Okay, so here is the light Arduino code. So I'm opening that. So I'm opening it in Arduino. So I have done something before to make this video tutorial. So I will introduce something such as we have a LED with connect to D0, D1 and D2. And this is a test. It's for a LED by default or the LED off. And we have a tutorial device with 3 items, 3 LEDs. And this is the Firebase server URL and Firebase out code. How to get Firebase out code? You can get that by logging into your Firebase controller and click in browser setting. In service account tab, you can check in database secrets, and you can add more secret here and show this secret and copy that. Okay, so I did done that. Okay, so it's my Wi-Fi config, and by default I'm going to use a chip ID, and we can use it by get it by ESP dot get chip ID. You can do that. However, now I'm fake that by 1, 2, and 3. For that, it belongs to this JSON value here. It is device ID. And we also have a stage with let 1, let 2, and let 3 by default. So, okay. So, one moment, we also have a button with identify the browser. I use this function for turn off the browsing with the 3 button, and we have a number such 3 button. Okay, so in the loop function I check with the switch if the just press and switch to and just console log here. Okay, I have already disabled the get data from Firebase for testing. Now I'm going to upload the code. When you hit the uploading from Arduino button, you can see the flex slice. Now we're waiting for a complete sketch. So now you can see it's a flash slide is flashing. That means it's being uploading the code, and we need to wait for uploading complete. Okay, so we have done uploading software. So I'm open in the log console. Hey, I'm connecting. That means okay, it's connected to Wi-Fi and set up. Now I'm going to press the button 1. You can see the switch 1 is just press, and second one and switch 2 just press, and 3 and that means 3 1 press. So we have done the to listen the 3 buttons. Now you can see it at the moment the lights are off because I haven't done anything belong to that now, and I also just getting data from the Firebase. Disable that function for now. You can see the current the 3 LEDs now are on. However, I disabled that. That means the LED could be not connected to the Firebase server anymore now. And now we do implement the function switch 1 just press. Now I do something here. Okay, now I want to a digital to rise the first button, so is press. That means we will set state, and that is state here. We have state here and state. Let's switch. Okay, equal negative with less state this week. Okay, so I think we done that before. Okay, so we can do something like for the Vito, right? Let's and this switch, and switch, and now it should be I think in state equal, and now no state, and we set state here. Okay, so let's run and build that. Okay, remove that slice. Hey, that's my case. Okay, so let's check in the log. We have the device connect to internet. So now I'm going to press button, switch the press. Okay, you can see that on, on, and the next one, okay, and off, and third one, off, on, off, on, off. Okay, so it's working. So as you can see, we have as a button to turn on, turn off. But the problem is, so we need to turn on the off, so, and also send to the device, send to the Firebase server. So how we do that? So I'm going to comment that code, use the port heading, and now I'm going to enable getting data. And now at the moment we turn off our device, and now getting data. And also we need to okay, I think we should be also enable that switch for now. String device pass and k that bread remove that a device, right, sorry, copy that for real quick, equal. Now it should be equal device ID, a chip ID, so we look at the function get data. Look and just wait. Where is the get data? So I'm going to copy that. Equal chip ID state. So we have a chip ID and state and the device ID. So device ID now it should be 01 if case 1, and if number 2 it should be 02, and number 3, and I think we add it right. Okay, we have done that. So now I think we copy that. We move to the function a tuple voice for let's tuple less number index in index remove that into by index, copy that, let's index. Okay, so and we call to go. Not sure this function right, but do on off. I think that's much better. Do on off. Let. Okay, so do on off. Let we have an index. Let's index. Copy that as well. and also let's index and divide pass. So we have a string pass. Copy that and copy that. Okay, and so after write to digital, we need to send send to the Firebase server by firebase.sesboo pass, and we have a state here. I think we do that. No step. Okay, step. Okay. So let's upload into the server. And make sure it's running. So you can see we have by default the all the last orb, and it's uploading. The code is uploading. So it's okay. So we have done uploading the curves, and you can see, and now reopen. Hey, I'm connecting. Okay, it's connected, and now I'm open the app in. So we can see. Now I'm going to try to press. Okay, it's working, and you can see, and on the app it's on. And now I'm going to press the button, the next button. Oh, nothing happened. Okay, it worked, but slow. And the last one. Okay, it worked. And now I'm going. So okay, so see you next time. Bye for now. Thank you for watching.